In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Gmail to HoneyBook. Linking your Gmail account to HoneyBook can streamline your communication, allowing you to manage emails and client interactions more efficiently. Let's dive right into the process. First, we'll start by navigating to your settings. Go ahead and open HoneyBook on your computer. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click, and from the menu that appears, select Company Settings. This is where you can manage all your account settings, including integrations. Next, once you're in the Company Settings, look for the Integrations tab. This is your gateway to connecting various services to HoneyBook. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all the possible integrations that HoneyBook supports. This is a powerful feature that can enhance your productivity by linking different tools that you use every day. Now let's focus on connecting your email. Within the Integrations tab, you'll find an email section. Here, you should see a Connect button. Click it to proceed. This section is specifically designed to help you link your email accounts, ensuring that all your communications are seamlessly integrated within HoneyBook. After clicking Connect, you'll need to select Connect Google Account. This option will enable you to link your Gmail account to HoneyBook. When you choose this, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page. This is a standard procedure that uses Google's OAuth, a secure way to authorize third-party applications to access your account. Once you land on the Google sign-in page, enter your Gmail credentials. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do so now. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize HoneyBook to access your Gmail. This step is crucial for ensuring that HoneyBook can access your emails and integrate them into your workflow. It's important to know that HoneyBook only asks for the permissions it needs to function effectively. This might include viewing your emails and managing conversation threads. Always review the access you're granting to ensure you're comfortable with the permissions. After you've authorized the connection, HoneyBook will take care of the rest. You'll be redirected back to HoneyBook, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Gmail account has been successfully linked. From this point on, your email communications can be managed directly from HoneyBook, making it easier to keep track of client interactions and project updates. To wrap things up, linking your Gmail to HoneyBook is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your efficiency. By following these steps, you ensure that all your important communications are in one place, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and delighting your clients. If you ever need to disconnect or change the linked account, you can return to the same settings to make adjustments. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you make the most of HoneyBook's integration capabilities. If you found this guide useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more practical tips and tricks.